You searched how to buy shares of PowerBank Corp, a company that makes portable battery products and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker SUUN. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy SUUN, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as the example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search and type the ticker SUUN to locate PowerBank Corp. Make sure you select the correct listing in the results. Open the asset page to see a short company summary and a price chart. Confirm the name and ticker to ensure it's the correct stock. Tap Invest, enter the amount you want to purchase, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order will wait until it opens, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once the trade fills, you will see the position in your portfolio where you can monitor it. If you want to follow this workflow, the link is available in the description.